Hi everybody from TechnoLost, and welcome to the unboxing of the Sony Xperia Z1. Well, the Z1 has just arrived today together with the Bluetooth headphone here, together with the NFC pairing mode. This is really interesting. Maybe I will make a little review of this headphone here, wireless headset. So let's give a look to the Xperia Z1. Let's see what we have inside the box. I've already opened the box a few minutes ago for the Italian unboxing. So let's open it. Here we have the Sony Xperia Z1. Okay, let's give a quick look to the device and then we will put it aside for a while just to see what we have inside the box. So quick sightseeing of the Xperia Z1. Speaker grill here, front and back. Let's put it aside for a while just to see what we have inside the box here. So beside this quick manual settings and warranty pamphlet, we don't have much more. Maybe I would have expected some NFC tags, but given the high price of this device, but there's no NFC tags here. This is the Italian retail version, of course. Here we have the in-ear headphones with the remote control even, and we have a few earbuds for the headphones. Micro USB to USB cable, and of course the power plug here, which has an output of, let me see if I can show you, of 1.5 ampere. Not bad. Maybe 2 ampere could be even better. So finally, let's give a look to this Sony Xperia Z1. Let me tell you, this device has a great premium finish and a great premium feeling too. Indeed, it's very good. Maybe it's one of the most premium feeling device that I could try. Speaking of the Android world, of course, and this is really gorgeous. Let me tell you, we have this cold aluminum unibody frame here, very nice, great feeling, and we have the solid glass on the front and on the back. Such a sturdy sensation. Great, really great. It doesn't even feel too bigger, maybe because I've been all day running around with the Note 3, and now this one seems to be a tiny device. It's not a tiny device. I guess it's even bigger than the S4 and G2, for instance, given the fact that they all three have the same 5 inches size display. But that's a great feeling, really gorgeous. Let me tell you, gorgeous. So let's give a look to the device. This is the the size of the device, 144 millimeters for 74 millimeters wide, and is 8.3 millimeters thick. So not bad. Weight is 170 grams. This is not a light device. Indeed, the same weight of the Galaxy Note 3, but well distributed, and given the fact that we have such premium materials like glass and aluminum, we have a very good feeling. We have, of course, just give a quick sightseeing of the device. We have the front-facing camera here. Here we have the speaker grill with the notification buried inside the speaker grill. We have the 5 inches display. We don't have soft touch button here because we have software button integrated inside the display itself. On the left side we have this magnetic connector for powering the device. We will need a dock. Then here we have, what else? We have the micro USB connector here behind this plastic latch, and we have on the other side the micro USB port, the micro USB card slot. Then we have on the upper side the 3.5 headphone jack, which thanks to some nanotechnologies can be free of latches, so we can use it without any kind of fear that some water gets into, because we won't have any kind of damage to this device. On the right side we have here, this is the micro SIM card slot, nothing but the micro SIM card slot. As you can see, we even have the red button here that you can see should be a reset button. So it's quite a long time since I last saw a reset button on a mobile device. Then we have of course the power button, the volume rocker, which is quite a tiny one, maybe a little bit bigger would have been even better. Then we have finally we have the two-step camera button, very nice. We have these holes here used to insert a latch or something like this. We have this big speaker grill, but I guess behind the speaker grill we have both the speaker and the main microphone. On the back we have this small here hole. This is completely symmetric in respect of the main speaker here. Maybe who knows, maybe it's the secondary microphone for noise suppression. I'm not quite sure. Here we have the big 10.7 megapixel Eximor RS sensor sorry, and the notification LED. This area is the NFC antenna. So this is more or less the sightseeing of this device. While I'm starting it, let me tell you about a few hardware specs of the device. We have the CPU, which is the MSM8974. It's nothing but the Snapdragon 800 that we could find inside the LG G2 or even the Note 3. It's a quad-core CPU clocked at 2.2 GHz here into the Sony Xperia Z1. It has Crate 400 architecture, and its production service is 28 nanometers. We have the GPU, which is the Adreno 330. We have 2 GB of LPDDR3 RAM, and we have 16 GB of expandable via microSD card slot, as I show you. Internal storage. Let me select the English language. Okay, done. Then what else? We have this big 5 inches Full HD Triluminous display. This is nothing but a TFT display, but the Triluminous technology, which is Sony proprietary technology, aims to have a wider color gamut for the display and even more accurate color reproduction. So we should hope for a better display in respect of the previous Xperia Z, which was not such a good display. Then we have even the X-Reality engine, which is useful for movie reproduction with some nice reduction filter, even better contrast and sharpness, and we even have the technology to add a missing pixel to the video resolution, which is very interesting, and I'm really curious to see if it does work or not. We have the pixel density of this display, which is 441 pixels per inch, and the display itself is covered by a shatterproof and scratch-resistant glass. We should even have already applied the plastic films usually applied by Sony in the recent devices, like even the Xperia Z and Xperia Tablet Z or this Z1. We don't have double tap here, really a pity, because it's very interesting, the one that we could find for instance into the Xperia Tablet Z. But we have then the Crate 10.1 inches, 20.7 inches, sorry, Eximor RS sensor. The size of this sensor is 1/2.3 inches. It's a very big sensor indeed. We have even the G-Lens technology for the lens, which is made up of 6 elements and has an aperture size of f2.0, so quite a brighter and very fast lens indeed. And we have even the Biance engine, which is, according to Sony, is a very powerful image processing engine. We have the front-facing camera, sorry, which is 2 megapixel front-facing camera. This device is LTE capable category 4, which means 150 megabit per second download speed and 50 megabit per second in upload speed. Then we have Wi-Fi 802.11 ACBGN, and even the new AC, of course, Wi-Fi Direct, DLNA, Wi-Fi hotspot. We have Bluetooth version 4.0 with A2DP, sorry. We have even NFC, a GPS together with ground, so we have both standards for what concern GPS global positioning system. We have micro USB version 2.0 with MHL and even of course USB on the go. We have here finally FM radio, which is completely cut off from the Note 3 as it was for the Galaxy S4. We have accelerometer, gyroscope, proximity and compass sensor, and even the notification LED that I told you is buried here behind the speaker grill. And we have the battery, which is 3000 mAh, so it seems to be quite a big battery. So the operating system is nothing but version 4.2.2. Let me show you in a few seconds. Okay, so I haven't removed the plastic film in front of the display. I just want you to be curious and follow me in the videos that I will do on this device, because this is one of the most important things to me in this device, the display, given the fact that the one into the Xperia Z was not that good to me, very poor viewing angle and not very wide color gamut. So I'm really curious about this display. So for what concerns this unboxing and technical specs of the Sony Xperia Z1, that's all. Once more, thanks for watching and bye from TechnoLost.